Hello class 10 children. Now today first I'll be starting with the revision of the database query so that you can download MySQL on your computer and start executing the queries. So first of all, before the holidays I had taught you about certain commands in the database. Now today I'll be just solving one question based on those commands so that you people can practice. Now the question is, create a table student with the following attributes. Attributes means the name of the columns. Roll number, name, class, date of birth, marks. So you have to create this table and then you have to execute certain queries on it. So before starting MySQL, you need to first create a database in which you can store the table, because you know in a database it is used to store the data. So first we have to build a database and then we are going to store table inside it. So create database school. I've created a database with the name school. Then it will say, when you press enter, it will say database created. Then you will use this database to create the table. So you will execute the next command, that is use school semicolon, press enter. Then you will start taking the table into consideration. So create table student, then a bracket, roll number, the data type of roll number integer, comma name, the data type of name being char. I mentioned the range also 20. Then class can be written in the form of a Roman numeral also, plus alphabet also, plus number also. So I take the data type as varchar, then I place the range 5, comma, date of birth again can be written in different formats. It can be August 1, 2020, or it can be 1.8.2020. So these are the various date formats. So you will use the data type as varchar 10, then comma marks, again marks are in numbers, so I'll mention the data type as integer. Bracket close, then a semicolon. Press enter, it will say the table student has been created. Now you want to see this created table and its data type, so I will write the command describe student and then a semicolon. So it will show you the tables, data type and their range. Now once I have created the table, I will start inserting values in it. So insert into student, you will mention the field's name, roll number, name, class, DOB, marks, then bracket close, values. Then after values I will write the actual values. So comma 1 will be the roll number, comma name, since it was in character so I have to include it in single quotes. I'll write the name X, comma class, again the data type was varchar, so I have to include it in single quotes. So 10A, comma DOB again varchar, so it has to be included in single quotes. 4.4.2006, you can mention any other format of the date also, comma the marks, that is 90. Then bracket close, semicolon. So it will say one row affected when you press enter. Now you have to see this table with one row affected. So select star from student, then a semicolon. You will be able to see the table student with only one row. So in this way you can enter any number of rows in the table. For now we will enter just 5 rows. So I'll execute this insert query 5 times with the different values every time. So next I will be retrieving the data from the table. So select star from student where roll number is equals to 3. So this query will be displaying the data of student whose roll number is 3. Rest all the students will not be displayed, only the roll number 3 students data will be displayed. So this way you can display any roll number that you want. Now next is select star from student, order by marks ASC. Now suppose I want to arrange the students in their marks order in a particular format, ascending or descending. So in the query I have made them arrange in ascending order. So the lowest marks will be at the top, then higher, higher and higher. So this way I'll be able to display the marks of the students in ascending order, and accordingly their name, class, roll number and DOB will be displayed. Next, I use the update query. Update query is that if you have made any mistake, then you can correct it using update. So update student, that is your table name, set DOB is equals to 4.4.2007 where roll number is 3. So suppose you have entered the date of birth of roll number 3 wrong. Instead of 2007 you have entered it 2006. So you can correct it using the update command. So update the table name, set the column name which needs to be updated, its value, the new value, and then the primary key, that is roll number. So this way you can update the entries in the table using this update command. So next is your, after update, you can, even if you write the query select star from student, it will show you the entire table with all the various columns and rows in it. So children, this is how we are going to execute the queries in the database. Now you have to download MySQL from the internet. I'll be giving you the actual version that you have to download. If you have any problem in downloading, you can send me the screenshot. I'll solve it out. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.